Alright, we're going to do a top speed test on the mini bike. Just got her up and running good, so
hopefully not die.
Ryan's going to top speed her on the paved road. So here we go, we got our app. Pocket, it's off.
This thing, I'm gonna die. Ah! Oh, what do you want?
Have you seen a little black dog in a black and white chihuahua?
No. Sure haven't. I'll keep my eyes open though.
Oh my God, this thing hauls. Oh, no, no. I think Keith's asleep.
You didn't see him out there?
No, he's not out there.
Oh,
this thing.
How'd she do?
Scary. I don't know if it's faster than the mini bike or the go-kart.
34.
Oh, it's faster.
34 miles per hour.
That's 5 miles faster than the other one.
Sick. So, yep, mini bike's up and going. 5 horsepower Honda engine off of a power washer. I'm pretty excited. Now we just gotta get Ryan's going, so he needs to make some money.
6.5 horse Honda engine, but it's a bigger frame with bigger wheels and tires.
You'll probably haul butt though with that thing, man.
I don't know. This thing's got smaller tires, so it moves quicker.
So was it pegged out though?
Huh?
As fast as she was gonna go? Or were you just too scared to go any faster?
I think it probably could have squeezed a little bit more.
Really?
Out.
Really?
Probably a little bit.
Dang. Alright. Thanks for watching the video.
It's a little loose because you got that little play in it, about
Yeah.
1/4 of an inch. If we had that, if we had the full throttle, it'd probably hit a little more.
Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.